has been days in the blood of the righteous, and then today think they surely can't get by, unwilling to stand and fight in the battles when Christians of old gladly give up their lives. Oh, where are those rugged soldiers who stand on the front line and give up their lives? Tell me where, hallelujah, oh, where are they ever so faithful, standing shoulder to shoulder for the cause of Christ? Don't look at your neighbor when the word is going forth. Search deep within you, search your heart and your soul. You know for certain if you are giving Christ your all. Lay down those excuses and take up your cross. Oh, where those rugged soldiers who stand on the front line and give up their lives? Oh, yeah, there's one rugged soldier. I'll stand on the front line. I'll give up my life. Oh, where are they ever so faithful, standing shoulder to shoulder for the cause of Christ? I stand, Lord, shoulder to shoulder. I stand with you, Lord, shoulder to shoulder. I stand with my family, shoulder to shoulder. I stand with the ministry, shoulder to shoulder. I stand with my family, shoulder to shoulder. I stand for you, Lord, shoulder to shoulder. I stand for you, Jesus, shoulder to shoulder. I'm willing to give up, Lord, shoulder to shoulder. I stand for this message, Lord, shoulder to shoulder. I stand for you, Lord, shoulder to shoulder for the cause.